This video is brought to you guys by my friends over at FCP Euro. Now before you skip through this little intro thing, let me say this. FCP Euro has a lifetime warranty on everything on their website. That includes brake pads, that includes oil, that includes all the OEM parts that they carry. If you don't believe me, check them out at the link below and read their disclaimer on the lifetime warranty policy. It's pretty cool, pretty crazy. Let's get into some big brake things. Not sure if you guys realize, but that's my car. They each wrote me a thank you note. That is unbelievably cool. Now this is a kit that FCP and I worked together to put together. It's pretty cool. It utilizes the caliper off of the Q5, which is a 4-piston caliper. As you can see, there's 2 pistons on that side, and there's 2 pistons on that side. That's kind of hard to show. It's actually made by Brembo, so it is a Brembo brake kit. And it's utilizing the same size rotor as stock for the S4, which is a 345mm disc. It's a little bit different rotor offset that Mike from FCP Euro was telling me. So while you could reuse the OEM S4 disc, it might cause a little premature brake pad wear. You're better off just buying the discs too. Now some of you might be saying, Eli, you have some explaining to do. And that's because if I put my little Michael Jackson glove on here, I have these too, which are RS5 OEM 8-piston calipers. Now, you're saying, Eli, why are you going from an 8-piston caliper to a 4-piston caliper? And from a 365mm rotor, which is huge, and could have been a 380mm rotor if I had gotten the different option for the kit, and go into a 345mm rotor, which is actually heavier because it doesn't have the aluminum hat like that one does. The simple answer is wheel clearance. That's about it. If you guys saw, I actually test fitted these RS5 brakes behind my VMR V706s. That's an old video, I'll link it up top, but the RS5 brakes did not clear the back of the wheels. Now a lot of you said, Eli, just run spacers. Unfortunately, with the concavity of the 9.5-inch wheel that VMR makes, the spoke would actually be so far in that I'd have to run a super aggressive spacer just to get the wheels to clear my brakes. Now what that would mean is I'm basically going to destroy my front fenders. I'd either have to roll them and pull them or go to a smaller brake. So I did go to a smaller brake. So these brakes should clear my VMRs no issue. Now my other alternative was stepping down to an 8.5-inch wheel and running the RS5 brakes, but the 8.5-inch wheel loses the concavity that I like, and the concavity is what I'm so big about on the wheels. Plus, if we're honest, I don't track the car. It's not a track car, so why do I need 8-piston calipers? The real reason I was doing them was just because they look cool, they're huge. Obviously they would help with stopping a little bit, but at that point it's more tire than it is brake. Now a couple other companies out there offer this brake kit, but nobody offers it with a lifetime warranty like FCP Euro, so I would highly recommend, if you're looking to do the Q5 caliper upgrade, don't look any further than FCP Euro. My kit is at the top of the description, which is kind of cool because I worked with Mike from there to put it together. Obviously he did the legwork and put the whole thing together, but it's kind of like the IgnitionTube big brake kit, and it's got a lifetime warranty. Can't beat that. So my plans for these are, because of the color scheme that I'm going with in the spring, which if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what it is. I'm going to paint these red, and I'm going to get some S4 stickers for this part. They're going to have to be heat resistant stickers. Not sure where I can find those. So if you know where I can find those, leave a comment below. But I'm excited for this. This should be good. It should be a nice brake upgrade. I should feel it, but hopefully it won't limit my wheel options and I'll still be able to clear wheels. So gotta paint that caliper and then paint my rear calipers because they're currently yellow. And yeah, that's about it. So that's a little update on the brake situation for the S4. I'm very, very excited to run these, and a huge shout out to FCP Euro. I mean, I've worked with a bunch of companies recently, and while they've all treated me super well, FCP just went above and beyond. They sent me 5 shirts, they sent me a bunch of stickers, they sent me a personalized thank you note with my own dang car on it. That is so cool. They went above and beyond, and I'm sure they'll go above and beyond for you guys as well, especially if you tell them I sent you. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out FCP Euro. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna go do some more bicep curls with the Brembo calipers.